Hello student, today we are going to start factorization of polynomial. In the factorization of polynomial, we will see here factor theorem first. So what is the factor theorem? If p of x is a polynomial, p of x is a polynomial of a degree n. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1, and a be any real number, a be the any real number, then first x minus a is a factor of p of x when if p of a equal to 0. If p of a equal to 0, that time x minus a is a factor of p of x. Second, p of a is equal to 0 when if x minus a is a factor of p of x. When the x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, that time p of a is equal to 0. Some example by using the factor theorem. So how to solve this problem? We will see here. First problem is examine whether x minus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and of 2x plus 4. Here two polynomial is given and the factor is only x plus 2. So what's the solution? By using factor theorem. By using factor theorem. What is the factor theorem? Here factor is given. What is the condition? If x minus x plus a is a factor of p of x, then what we will get the answer? P of a is equal to 0. If x plus a is a factor of p of x, then p of a equal to 0. So we apply this factor theorem in this problem and check it is correct or not. So here we have given x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Here it is given x plus 2 is a factor of x cube 3x square plus 5x plus 6. It is already given. By using factor theorem, so x plus 2 is equal to 0. We can write x equal to this 2 shift to right sides, answer will be minus. So x equal to 2, put x equal to 2 minus 2 in p of x, polynomial of x, p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the polynomial. Okay, what we will put here? Minus 2. So p of minus 2 x, instead of what we will put here? Minus 2 cube plus 3 x, instead of 2 put minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Here minus 2 cube minus 8. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus minus plus 2 into 2 4. 4 into minus 2. 4 2 is 8. Plus plus minus minus. So answer is minus 8. Then plus 3 as it is. Minus 2 square 4 plus 5 into 2 minus 10 plus 6. Here minus 8 plus 3 4s are 12 minus plus minus plus 6. Here what's the answer? Minus 4 plus 12. Minus 4 plus 12. Answer is plus 4. Here minus 10 plus 6. What is the answer? Minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 4. Answer will be 0. Therefore, P of minus 2 equal to 0. P of minus 2 is equal to 0. That means, so x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Now second, here x plus 2 is a factor of, second is 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. So x equal to 2. X equal to minus 2. So put this value in polynomial. Put x equal to minus 2 in P of x. So P of x equal to 2x plus 4. So P of minus 2 equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. P of minus 2 is equal to 0. That means when the P of minus 2 equal to 0, that time x plus 2 is a factor of P of x. Here second question, find the value of k. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 4. So here already given x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. That means x equal to x equal to 1. So x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. X equal to 1 in P of x. This value put in polynomial. So polynomial P of x equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 4. If x minus 1 is a factor of P of x, that is P of 1 equal to 0. Okay, so P of 1 equal to 4 into 1 cube 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k. Okay, so P of 1 equal to 0. Then 4 into 1 cube is 1. 3 square, 3 into 1 square is 1 minus 4 plus k. 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus k. Plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. So what is remain? 3 plus k equal to 0. So 3 will shift here. So answer will minus 3 equal to k. Therefore k equal to minus 3. So the value of k is minus 3. Understood? Then, now third problem. Factorize the 6x square plus 17x plus 5. Firstly, we will see here this number is in order or not. If the number is not order, so write first in order. So already this number is already ordered. So for how to factor this polynomial. So here first term and the constant term. So multiply 6x square into 5. 6 into 5, that is 30. 30 into x square. So first find out the factor of 30. The factor of 30 is 6 into 5. And the factor of 30 is 10 into 3. Factor of 13, 15 into 2. So these are the factor. But these are the factor. The first factor 6 and 5. When you add this factor, we will get the middle term. So 6 plus 5, that is 11. So this not comes 70. So this factor 6 into 5 is not a factor of this. And 10 plus 3 equal to 13. So 13 we want here 70. 15 plus 2, that is 70. So this factor 15 and 2 are the factor, and we will put this 15 and 2 in middle term. So when 15 into 2, so we will come 30, and when they add these two terms, we will get the middle terms. So 6x square plus this 30, the factor is 15 and 2, and x square is x and x. So instead of 17, we will put here 15x and plus 2x. The last term is 5. So make a pair of two terms. First, from the first two terms, x is a common, and the 6 and 50, what is the common? We will take 3. 3 in the 3 table, 6 and 15 will come. So that's why we take a 3 common of these two numbers. So what is it? Here 6x square, we will take 6x square. From this number we will take a common 3x. So x and square get cancelled. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are. So what is remain? 2 into x, 2x, 2x. Then next number is 15x. So 15x, which number will take a common? 3x. So divide by 3x. X cancel. 3 1 are 3, 3, 5 is 15. So what is remain? 5 plus 5. This 5 write down here. 2x plus 5. From this number there is no common factor. That time we will take a common only 1. So 1, 2x plus 5, keep as it is. The common bracket, write first 2x plus 5. Uncommon bracket, that is 3x plus 1. So 2x plus 5, 3x plus 1 is the factor of this polynomial.